Okay, you have to have an application to leave this place, always. What's up? Welcome to Santiago, Chile. I'm really surprised by this city so far. I thought it was going to be much more Latin, but it's actually very European. But it's all good. I'm going to go on a walking tour now and see what this place is all really about. So let's check it out. As you can see, lots of Venezuelans making their life here, selling lots of stuff. But yeah, let's go to the metro right now. You gotta use this card on the metro. Perdón, permiso. Oh, shit. Where's the salid? No, we want the salid. Welcome to New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Beautiful architecture here in this station, Universidad de Chile. Let's see if we can exit to New York. That's the street. Welcome to Santiago. Let's find out where we're going here. It's a little mall action. Reminds me of Pacific Mall or something in Toronto. Oh my god, there's like 100 fucking spas and nail salons here. What the heck? What the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the heck? And they all have barbershop stuff, but no barbers inside. This is bizarre. Alright, so we're in the downtown Santiago district. All the shops and stuff are here, all the people. Man, this city is European as I thought it would be way more Latin, like Ecuador or Colombia. But no, it's got its own vibe down here, very similar to like Portugal or France. So yeah, it's not what I was expecting, but we're gonna go on a walking tour right now, as we do in every city. It's a free walking tour. and get some guidance around the city. All right.
You few things about the current context and many different things that we're gonna see today on Santiago that it has nothing to do with tourism. The one and the Incas were living here for more than 3 centuries before than that.
Interesting.
Out of money of the land, so they demolished palaces like this to build horrible stuff like that. So everyone wanted to be here, they needed big offices, so literally they grab a palace, buy this palace, demolish this palace, and build a horror like that in between.
Because there's more space.
You can build higher, yeah.
This is totally French. I knew it. I knew there was a French vibe here. So apparently this is the historic district that was built by the elite of Santiago to make it very French-like because they loved the style. The engineering and just make their own. They make their own.
Yeah, and so this is, yeah, it's different.
So different. Yeah.
Well, my friends, here we are, the most important square of the whole state of Chile. We are right in front of the presidential palace, and the name of this square is Plaza de la Constitución, the Constitution Square. And we are here to talk about the most, not how to say it, traumatical, but also fundamental event of Chilean history, the dictatorship of Pinochet. They want to put the Chilean society in French level of stress, in that all of the people were starting to justify the situation won by the...
Check out my buddy here. He's alive, don't worry. Downtown Santiago. This guy for sure. Buenas tardes. Oh, he's not working. Okay. Buenas tardes. All right. Hey, 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 hey.
Está esa mesa. Ah, no, está reservada.
Puede ser ahí, puede ser cualquiera de la
Sí. That's nice. ¿Cuándo es? Muy fresco. ¿Cuándo?
Más fresco.
¿Dónde? Depende.
Allá mucho calor.
Sí. Whatever. What do you like? I think this is good. We have the spray here.
There's a lot of sun.
Yeah. All right, just finished the walking tour, and we're here at this restaurant called El Bajo, underneath the cultural center that was recommended by our tour guide. So yeah, try some food. Apparently it's a good price, cheap, and yeah.
You know already what you want?
I think I'm gonna ask what the favorites of the hamburger. There's other stuff too, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it. So
A few moments later.
okay, let's get some art tickets. Let's see some theater.
You saw it?
What's that? No. What the heck?
You can...
Is that for your dog?
No, I think it's for your bag.
Oh my god, that is cute. What are the odds of that? The future is now. Perdón. Bye. Okay, let's buy some tickets. Something is happening here, some sort of performance. We are in the theater traps right now. This is the backside. This is where. Sí, el teatro aquí. ¿Todo bien?
Para la obra de danza, de baile. Que está a las 7. ¿Está la entrada o no?
No, pero igual ya están acá, así que mejor.
Okay.
Oh, bueno, gracias.
Okay.
Oh, so we are literally backstage. I have to find it. Whoa. It's definitely there. Oh yeah, everyone here is backstage personnel.
En este sector se va a hacer la fila, pero la
Yeah.
sala es esta.
Oh,
Entonces vamos a entrar aquí.
En unos minutos se hace la validación.
okay. Okay. Galleria. All right, this is cool. Sala and sala function. Okay. Whoa. Oh gosh. I'm B9. I'll sit here for now. Oh, afterwards or like a separate event?
No, a separate event.
And you went, and you won?
No, because it took place a couple of days ago or sometime next week.
That would be a cool thing.
Because when they are still in the same neighborhood, I can just
We are at some festival right now. Some sort of festival. Okay. There's a fucking band? What?
And the girls are musicians. They are playing.
Oh, they're playing in the music?
No, but they are. So I guess that they're.
Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, oh my god. What the heck is this? Crazy.
¿No hoy sacamos una cámara?
It's a caveat for touring.
¿Vas de video?
Video, yeah.
You are...
So I don't have to take my phone out all the time and see. All right, the day is over. It was long, very unexpected to go to a theater festival and then a street festival, all from meeting that girl Aylin in the walking tour today. So shout out to her for hooking all that up for a cool Santiago experience. Now I'm trying to find my way home. The metro closes very early here. It closes at like 9 p.m. So I'm gonna try to take an Uber or find a bus. Wish me luck.